How to edit image in Google Docs. So let's say here in chapter 1 we want to add an image. So let's create some space, go to maybe about here, and let's get a picture right here. So to do that, we have to select here, go to insert, and what most people do is they go to image and they try to edit things from here. Now you can do some things from there, but not everything. To get the most out of Google Docs, you have to go to drawing, new, and first you have to insert an image. So let's click here on the image icon. Let's paste that URL right there. This is just a random image. So let's select it. And here we have the image. So let's say we want to do a rounded rectangle. What I want to do is click that. And from here you can adjust the cropping of the image. Let's do that. Then click it once again, and boom, your picture is cropped. Now you can edit the border weight, 12 pixels. That should be nice. You can add a text box. Change the color. Save and close. Now this picture is pretty big, so what you can do is just select the corners, and so let's say we want this picture to the left. What we'll do is choose it and select warp text. Go to position options, fix position on the page. Here we can move it to the left. We can basically do this. And there you go. That's how to add and edit an image in Google Docs.